Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you must be keeping well and taking care of yourself as well as your parents. Today, we are going to start with the lesson towards freedom. And we are going to cover the topic discontent among Indians due to the policies of East India Company. But how these British people entered into India? Now, India has been famous for spices, textiles, jewelry, pearls since ancient times. The countries which came to India for trade were Arabs, Portuguese from Portugal, Dutch from Holland, French from France, and British from England. But the Arabs were among the first to come to India for trade, and they settled in India also. But the British emerged as the most powerful among them. They traded with India through English East India Company. This company bought goods cheaply from India and sold them at high prices in other countries. In this way, they were making huge profits. Slowly, the East India Company gained control over whole of India. Do you know why? Because Indians were not united. They kept on fighting among themselves because at that time India was divided into smaller kingdoms. India was not unified under one king. And these kings kept on fighting among themselves. People also kept on fighting among themselves on the basis of religion or community. So British people, they took the advantage of this and they started playing their policy divide and rule. Slowly, these Britishers started exploiting farmers, traders, craftsmen, and rulers of small kingdoms. The farmers had to pay high taxes even during floods and droughts. Do you know what are the droughts? When there is no rainfall at all during the monsoon season. And they were forced to grow indigo and cotton. Do you know what is an indigo? Indigo is a plant from which a blue color dye is obtained. And this blue color dye is used to brighten the white cotton. Even today also we are using indigo powder to brighten the white color cotton clothes. Farmers became poorer and started dying out of starvation. Starvation means without food. Why, children? Because they were forced to grow only cotton and indigo. And cotton and indigo are cash crops. They cannot be eaten. So, they were not having any other crops to eat. And moreover, they had to pay so high taxes. The East India Company also ruined handloom industry of India. You know, handloom industry, the clothes were woven by handmade machines. Lakhs of weavers became unemployed because British imported cheap cloth into India. The British did not even allowed the Indians to open the mills and factories. Indian traders were not allowed to trade items of their choice. You can see